Hi, Assalamualaikum. Today I will be presenting about defect diagnosis at College Cempaka Sari, Bakawali 1. Hello, my name is Nur Alisha binti Abu Bakar. Matric number is 2023450324. This presentation is prepared for Madam Nur Azlina binti Kamar Zaman and Madam Norida Marzianti binti Muhammad. Today, we will look at multiple elements within the building environment, which is roof, building fabrics and components, building structures, building services, external or site condition. So the first element is the roof. The location is at College Cempaka Sari, Bakawali 1. The element is soffit panel. The defect is most defect and decay fascia board and frame. The symptoms is leak, clog the gutter and block downspout. The possible causes is nearby overhanging trees. The prognosis is growth of mold due to moistures, and remedies is trim the overhanging trees. Next element is the roof. The location is at College Cempaka Sari, Bakawali 1. The element is metal roof edge. The defect is rust and corrosion on the edge of the metal roof sheet. The symptoms of this defect is visible reddish brown corrosion. Possible causes is exposed to rain and humidity. The prognosis is injury from falling debris. Remedies is apply anti-rust and weatherproof paint on the metal roof. Next is building fabrics and component. The component is door. Location College Cempaka Sari, Bakawali 1. The element is hinge and screw. Defect is rust and corrosion at the bottom of a metal door hinge area. Symptoms is visible rust on the hinge area door frame. Possible causes of this defect is continuous exposure to moisture. The prognosis is further rusting may cause frame weakening and hinge failure. The remedies is scrub using sandpaper and replace hinge at the bottom door. Next, building element fabrics component element is window. The location is College Cempaka Sari, Bakawali 1. The element is lower window frame and pivot bracket. The defect is rust and corrosion. The symptoms is visible rust at the pivot joints. Possible causes of this defect is continuous exposure to rain and sun. Prognosis is the rust could make it harder to operate over time. The remedies is scrub using a sandpaper and apply anti-rust coating, primer, and paint. Okay, now we move on to building structures. The location is College Cempaka Sari, Bakawali 1. The element is wall. The defect is vertical hairline on the surface. The symptoms is thin vertical cracking continuous. The possible causes is continuous exposure to moisture. The prognosis is might lead to bigger cracks. The remedies, sand and repaint to match the existing finishes. The next element of building structures is column. The location is College Cempaka Sari, Bakawali 1. The element is column. The defect is uneven texture and a minor bump or blister. Symptom is patchy and inconsistent surface texture. Possible causes is poor workmanship. The prognosis is impact on the building increasing maintenance costs. The remedies is apply surface filler or skim coat to smooth the texture. The next element is building services, which is water supply. The location is College Cempaka Sari, Bakawali 1. The element is the defect is faucet loose with visible gaps. The symptom is water leakage around the base of the faucet. Possible causes is improper faucet installation. Prognosis is escalating repair costs due to deeper structural damage. The remedies is repair or replace the damaged tile or sink surface around the mounting point. Next element of building services is electrical. The location is College Cempaka Sari, Bakawali 1. The element is conduit electric junction box. The defect is a missing cover plate, leaving internal components exposed. The symptom is visible open junction. The possible causes is internal cable exposed. The prognosis is moderate safety risk if live wire were exposed. The remedies is install an appropriate cover plate that match the box size and type. The last element is external or side. We're focusing on compound light. The location is College Cempaka Sari, Bakawali 1. The element is post. The defect is exposed cable. The symptom is improperly aligned. A possible causes is lack of maintenance. The prognosis is hazard safety. Remedies is refer electrical and mechanical technician. The next external site is hallway. The location is College Cempaka Sari, Bakawali 1. The element is hallway. The defect is visible, elongated crack in the concrete slab. The symptom is surface unevenness. The possible causes is temperature changes can cause expansion leading to crack. The prognosis is risk of slab section separation or edge spalling. The remedies is apply surface sealant or waterproof membrane to prevent moisture penetration and use exposing injection or polyethylene sealant. To sum up, regular building inspection is crucial for early detection of defects. Most issues observed at College Cempaka Sari were caused by exposure to weather, poor installation, or lack of maintenance. Implementing timely repairs not only ensures safety but also reduce long-term costs. Thank you for your attention.